Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this easy, delicious homemade pizza sauce. I have 1 can of tomato. You don't necessarily have to use salt-free, and of course you can use whatever brand you like. I'm using this large can because I like to make my pizza sauce in huge batches and freeze it so that I can have it to my convenience. This recipe is easy to adjust if you want a smaller amount. I'm going to prep my tomatoes by first mashing them because I like the consistency of my sauce to be a little bit chunky. Of course, you can skip this step by just buying crushed tomatoes instead or pureed tomatoes. I'm working with what I have in my pantry. You can always blend your sauce if you prefer yours to be smoother. And I'm really taking my time to mash these tomatoes so that I don't end up with any large chunks. Here, I'm just quickly checking to make sure that there aren't any chunks left. To my pot here, I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and once that heats up, I'm going to saute my onion and garlic. I'm using a small to medium sized onion, as I will show you here. To make it a little bit easier, I grated my garlic. However, I just chopped my onion finely because I didn't want to go through the hassle of my eyes burning. I'm going to saute these for about 2 minutes or until my onions are translucent, and then add my crushed tomatoes. After which, I'm going to add the remainder of my ingredients. Now, you can add your Italian herbs or whatever your favorite herbs are. Remember, this is your pizza sauce, so you can go ahead and customize it however you please. I'm just gonna add some sugar to balance out the acidity, some salt of course, my favorite all-purpose seasoning which pretty much has everything including oregano, which is commonly used in pizza sauce. I'm also adding some dried parsley and a little bit of dried thyme. Then I'm going to cover and allow this to simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Within the last 2 minutes, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to thicken this sauce up, and then cover again for the last 2 minutes, allowing everything to come together. And as soon as I drop that tomato paste in, it thickens up immediately, which is why we add this closer to the end. Allow this sauce to cool and then store in your freezer or fridge depending on how soon you want to use it. And this sauce is so flavorful and versatile. I also use it on my spaghetti with meatballs. You can also use it as a dip or with whatever you like. Of course, I'm not going to show you how to make pizza sauce without showing you how to make homemade pizza, so check out these delicious homemade pizzas here on the channel, as well as my homemade pizza dough. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Follow me on my other social media, links are in the description as well as the recipe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.